Top 200 Secrets of Success, Session 3. Secret number 16. Make an effort to be humorous throughout the day. Not only is it beneficial from a physical viewpoint, but it diffuses tension in difficult circumstances and creates an excellent atmosphere wherever you are. It was recently reported that members of the Taripan tribe of South America have a ritual where they wake in the middle of the night to tell each other jokes. Even tribesmen in the deepest sleep wake to enjoy the laugh and then return to their state of slumber in seconds. Number 17. Become a highly disciplined time manager. There are roughly 168 hours in a week. This surely allows a plenty of time for the achievement of the many goals we desire to accomplish. Be ruthless with your time. Set aside a few minutes each morning to plan your day. Plan around your priorities and focus on not only those tasks which are immediate but not important, that is, many telephone calls, but especially on those which are important but not urgent. For these, allow for the greatest personal and professional development. Important but not immediate activities are those which produce long term sustainable benefits and include exercise, strategic planning, the development of relationships, and professional education. Never let the things which matter most be placed in the back seat as compared to those that matter least. Number 18. Associate only with positive, focused people who you can learn from and who will not drain your valuable energy with complaining and uninspiring attitudes. By developing relationships with those committed to constant improvement and the pursuit of the best that life has to offer, you will have plenty of company on your path to the top of whatever mountain you seek to climb. Secret of success number 19. Stephen Hawking, one of the great modern physicists of the world, is reported to have said that we are on a minor planet of a very average star located within the outer limits of one of 100,000 million galaxies. Are your problems really significant in light of this? You walk this earth for but a short time. Why not become devoted to having only a wonderful experience? Why not dedicate yourself to leaving a powerful legacy to the world? Sit down now and write out a list of all that you have in your life. Start first with your health or your family, the things we often take for granted. Put down the country we live in and the food we eat. Do not stop until you have written down 50 items. Once every few days, go through the list. You will be uplifted and recognize the richness of your existence. Number 20. You must have a mission statement in life. This is simply a set of guiding principles which clearly state where you are going and where you want to be at the end of your life. Mission statement embodies your values. It is your personal lighthouse, keeping you steadily on the course of your dreams. Over a period of 1 month, set a few hours aside to write down 5 or 10 principles which will govern your life and which will keep you focused at all times. Examples might be to consistently serve others, to be a considerate citizen, to become highly wealthy, or to serve as a powerful leader. Whatever the mission statement of your life, refine it and review it regularly. Then, when something adverse happens or someone tries to pull you off course, you quickly and precisely return to your chosen path with the full knowledge that you are moving in the direction that you have selected. Thank you.